Today we're at the Westfield Mall and I'm trying to practice with Lovely. We have to go to Chino Hills tomorrow. I'm nervous because I noticed yesterday and today she's a little rusty, or she's like distracted. So my worry is that she's going to be distracted when I need her to listen, which is when they're filming. We really have a lot of work to do, and I hope we do okay. Yes, girl, Lovely. I'm just nervous because I don't want to get sent home. I don't want to be the worst one. I don't want to look stupid. I don't want to mess up.
What's everything that you're scared of right now?
I don't want to mess up.
And what would change?
People might remember me as an embarrassment.
What? You can just do the best that you're at right now. And as long as you did your best and you gave your best, I think that's all that matters. It doesn't matter if somebody is better than you. It doesn't matter if you're not the top winner of the show. What matters is that you did your best.
Oh shit, I'm here. I'm here. Oh my god. So we did the interview portion a while ago, and I am a little nervous to talk to some of them, but I'm trying to open up and have some small talk just to relax. It's hot. Now we are getting ready to do our hero shot. So we're in the holding area. Had a good break, had some lunch, and after the hero shots I think we should be done, but I don't know how much longer we're gonna be here for. Yes, good girl, Lovely. Oh, you look so cute. Good girl.
Take his ball and drop it in his water.
Good shit. Good. Roll over. That's a good boy. Ready? Ready? Good boy.
Hi, handsome. Yeah. We're done with the interview day. Lovely, you worked so hard today. You did the B-roll, you did the hero shots, you sat so well for the interview, and you were so good in the holding room. You're amazing. Over, over, over. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Ready? Wait. And up. Whoops. Yes, good girl. Girl, taxi. So the competition is tomorrow. I'm changing up the routine. Now I'm worried I'm gonna brain fart. Why am I changing up the routine? Because I don't know what it is. There's a lot. I don't really want to get into it, but decided to change up the routine, like half of the routine. So I'm really hoping I can remember this. Wish us luck. I'd like to be number one, but we'll see how we do.
Over. 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 It's supposed to.
Back up, back up.
Stay.
Back. Okay.
Good job. I'm nervous. I'm trying to tell myself that we're okay. This is just for fun. But yeah, I mean, like, I'm just worried that I'm not going to be good or as good as everybody else. I'm trying to tell myself, like, I'm good. I know I'm good. And I know it. And I know Lovely's good. I'm like, I'm sweating. Can you see my sweat? Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, so nobody's around, so I can go and celebrate. Lovely, come on. Up, 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 up. Yes, we did it. We did it. Yeah. We got first place. We got first place. We got first place. We won. We won. We won. Look at our trophy. This is amazing. We're gonna head back home tonight. We're gonna head back home winners.
And the winner of the Animal Planet World Pup champion is Lovely. Brr, 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 brr. Good girl. Yes, good girl.